Hey everybody, just want to do a quick unboxing of a pedal I just got, the new EHX platform compressor. This is my first unboxing, so just kind of bear with me. See. Very cool box. Wow, it comes with its own AC supply. You don't see that with every pedal. And here's the pedal itself. See, we got volume control, tone control, drive, swell, sustain, release, attack volume. Here you also have a toggle for your knee, a toggle for limiter, stereo compressor, stereo ins and outs. But I'm gonna plug it in and let's see how it sounds. So here it is dry. So let's add some attack. Sounds like a compressor. Turn it up a little bit. But really what I was interested in is the swell knob. Let's check this out. Very cool. You know, I think with like some reverb or something like that, that could be a cool little post-rock kind of sound. Let's try it out. Alright, well that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be definitely posting more videos in the future. Hope you liked it.